Question: what is the legal length of a road train in metres? 12 car lengths. Hint. Grams reckons it's 40 metres. We'll see. She reckons it's 3 and a bit metres for a car. So 3 and a bit times 12 is 40. That's Grams' maths. I said it was 100 feet, which is about 33 metres, so we'll see who's closest. Grams' arithmetic versus Greggy's maths. I think the answer's coming up when we get to the top of this little crest. Who will be right? Grams or Greggy? Well, might be a draw, might be in the middle. No overtaking next 3 kilometres.
Wrong sign.
Wrong sign. Here we go. Is this the answer? Let's see what it says. Read it out, Grams.
53.5 metres.
Wow. Well, we're both wrong.
There was more information on the sign, but I couldn't read that fast.
Oh, well, we'll have to wait until we stop the video because we couldn't read it. But neither of us were near 53 metres.